Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while since I've posted, but this is not the usual videos that I started posting now, but it's more of a vlog. So just wanted to show some of the stuff planned for today. So right now I'm in the Microsoft office in Granville. If you haven't checked out, I made the latest video I made is the tour that I did of the office. I showed everything in the office space, so make sure to click somewhere. I think the card will pop up or like in the description down below, so you can check out the full office tour. So today, the high school that I went to, I was part of a program called Tech Leadership, where basically you're tech support for the school. Like people use their laptops, do their assignments online, and you're supposed to provide tech leadership. So I was one of the first people in that program. And today what I've done is I'm organizing a tour for some of the tech leadership students from Centennial this year. Now I went to high school, it's been a while. It's been I think 4 years since I graduated high school. And the program that I was part in now, it's a new batch of students. So one thing that I'm planning on doing is to do a tour. So right now it's, I think, what time is it? It's around 9 a.m. The students will arrive around, I think, 9:30. So I'll show them around the building. I won't have clips of like the actual tour itself because I don't want to film anything that people are working on. But I'll show some footage of like with the students later on. So I'll catch you guys later in the day. Okay. So I'm here with the students. Do you guys want to say hi?
What's up, YouTube?
Okay. How was the experience today for you guys?
Very good. He's a very cool guy.
The most memorable part of the experience?
VR room.
Yeah, VR. Anything else that you got to say to the vlogs?
Subscribe to course. Remember to subscribe, yeah.
Okay, see you guys later. Okay, so I'm here with some of the boys from the tour. Okay, maybe we'll do, how's the tour? I guess we'll just walk into the more detail.
That's pretty good. I think it's like very thorough. Like we get to see a lot of things.
I mean, you would never get a chance to look around Microsoft, you know?
Yeah,
it's quite entertaining. Yeah. Something I remember for a very long time.
Okay, what about, random fun facts about you guys to the vlog? Just introduce yourselves to the people.
I'm Justin. I'm in grade 12. Currently go to Centennial. Yeah, I'm really interested in technology. I want to work as an engineer.
Alright, my name's Lucas. I'm also in grade 12, and I've been producing music since I was like 12, 13 years old.
Okay. Can we find you anywhere? Do you have a channel or anything?
It's YouTube. KWERZ is Quers, and it's basically the green K with like pink stripes.
Okay, I'll link it down.
Alright, thank you.
We'll check it out.
Thank you.
My man, what about you?
I'm Malcolm, in grade 11, and I've been doing some amateur photography and video editing, so I'll do some of that also on my YouTube channel.
Can we find you anywhere?
Yeah, just my YouTube channel, Malcolm Fuller.
Malcolm Fuller, okay, I'll link that as well.
Okay.
My name is Edward. I'm in grade 11, and I used to run a blog called itlovereserve.com until the domain got taken down, but I'm gonna bring it back up with a different domain, so stay tuned.
Okay, sounds good. Well, that was about it from you guys. Do you want to say bye to the vlog?
Goodbye.
Okay, we'll catch you guys later. Yeah. So it is the end of the day. I'm about to sign up the vlog here. There wasn't much in this vlog, honestly. Like I just had some clips of some of the students that came to the tour today. But stay tuned. This week I have a couple of really awesome videos planned, so I'll be posting that. As you can see, it's starting to be nighttime now, so I'm gonna head out as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this video. It's a relatively quick one, but later on this week I'm about to have a couple of vlogs, a really awesome vlog. I'm going to hopefully my first ever hockey game. So if you guys are interested in watching that, make sure you subscribe. Really amazing stuff planned, so make sure you subscribe. You guys will see. So I guess I'll see you guys later.